So I think the main point that I was trying to make, proposing concept of curating after AI, so not talking about curating AI, but curating after AI, is to suggest that this is a condition that we enter the stage when technology, computational technologies, and in particular AI, with generative AI, which is something that is able of generating content rather than remix, synthesize, and present, but something that is able to generate new content. It is really important to think about it as a condition that is here to stay. Something that is we need to confront, and especially curators and artists and cultural practitioners and institutions, we need to understand that AI is here to stay, and we need to confront, not necessarily confront, but work with it and think about the ways of approaching this in our daily work. Thinking about our responsibility, how we engage with AI and what consequences, both positive, negative, it can have, what possibilities, but also think about large implications. I mean, we talked about ethics, very important issue. Environmental consequences. Every time we ask ChatGPT, it costs something, our environment.
So I was talking about AI as an artistic material, as a way of framing AI, not as a tool or as an agent that does creative things, but as a material that artists can work with and sort of help to sort of understand and help to sort of expose the way that AI works. So this talk was really about tracing a path through different approaches that artists take, often through hacking, often through trying to break or use these AI models in unexpected ways. Obviously, we're seeing AI is incredibly powerful at synthesizing media. You know, we can generate these very realistic videos, we can generate these very realistic images, audio. So in one sense, yes, it's perfectly capable today of creating things that people perceive as being artworks. You know, a huge amount of the internet now is AI slop, you know, but these AI generated videos that have very little kind of human input into them, but they're getting huge amounts of engagement, and people, you know, are actively sort of engaging with this and watching this.
El simposio ha sido muy enriquecedor porque hemos podido aproximarnos a la inteligencia artificial generativa desde enfoques muy distintos, desde cómo se afronta en el ámbito de las prácticas artísticas, en el ámbito curatorial. Cómo lo afronta un investigador, cómo lo afronta un comisario, cómo además esto se integra en las instituciones, con lo cual creo que el simposio agrega esta multiplicidad de puntos de vista y de perspectivas para afrontar la inteligencia artificial dentro de la complejidad que tiene.
Sí, y esa complejidad, precisamente emergiendo de la diversidad de contribuciones al simposio, de alguna manera dibuja un paisaje muy variado que tenemos que tener en cuenta en cuanto a contextos institucionales, contextos de investigación, prácticas artísticas. Y lo que hemos visto, quizás en el simposio, es la necesidad de integrar y de respetar esa variedad de acercamientos, de prácticas, de discursos, precisamente porque contribuyen a una especie de membrana crítica totalmente necesaria para abordar las tecnologías de las que hemos hablado.